What if I told you psychology did not begin in Europe? Long before modern psychology labs, Indian sages were running experiments on themselves. Before Freud started analyzing dreams, India was already asking, who am I? Why do I suffer? And how do I get out of this mess? From yoga to meditation to self-control, Indian thinkers were basically the first mental health influencers. So, grab your chai not chai tea latte, relax your shoulders and let's understand how Indian wisdom explains the human mind. Indian psychology encompasses a diverse range of concepts rooted in ancient philosophical, spiritual, and medical traditions. It thrives on the exploration of consciousness as a foundational aspect of existence, offering profound insights that contrast sharply with conventional Western psychological approaches. This unique perspective invites deeper understanding and appreciation of the mind and self. The nature of consciousness in Indian psychology: consciousness is self-luminous, ever-present, and independent. Consciousness vs mind, key difference is eternal consciousness is unchanging and timeless. Changeable mind is influenced by emotions and thoughts. Universal consciousness is experienced by all beings. Individual mind is unique to each individual. Historical context of the Vedas. The Vedas, as the oldest Indian texts, provide insights into ancient rituals and philosophies that shaped cultural identity. They illustrate the profound connection between existence and consciousness, fostering a rich spiritual legacy. Vedic vision, the inseparability of existence and consciousness. The Vedic texts illustrate a profound understanding of existence and consciousness as interconnected, revealing a cosmic intelligence that shapes our perception of reality. Key Vedic themes: cosmic intelligence, the organizing force in the universe, a cosmic intelligence that connects all beings and influences the unfolding of reality. Experiential reality: Vedic hymns emphasize deeper experiences beyond sensory perception. Practice-oriented approach: advocate for practices like meditation and mantra chanting, providing tools for individuals to realize their inner states and deepen their understanding of consciousness. Holistic perspective: integrating mind, body, and spirit, emphasizing interconnection with the universe and the role of cosmic intelligence in shaping reality. Experiential practices: to explore consciousness directly, along with direct experience. The Upanishads mark a transformative leap in Indian thought, shifting focus from external rituals to profound introspection and direct inquiry into the essence of consciousness itself. The Upanishadic shift, internal inquiry. The Upanishads mark a transformative journey, guiding seekers from external rituals to profound inner exploration, illuminating the path towards self-awareness and the essence of consciousness itself. Lived inside these texts are not mere philosophical speculations but records of personal realizations, offering practical wisdom on understanding the self and our connection to the universe. Central question. At the heart of the Upanishadic exploration lies the question, who is the knower of experience, prompting profound self-inquiry and reflection on consciousness itself. Consciousness as Atman, the essence of awareness. The Upanishads reveal Atman as pure consciousness, unchanging and independent from the body and mind, inviting profound self-inquiry into the essence of our being. Understanding what Atman is not: Atman transcends physical forms and mental constructs. It is not the body, senses, thoughts, emotions, or ego, but the ever-present awareness that observes these transient phenomena without attachment. The unity of consciousness. The Upanishads reveal a profound insight: individual and universal consciousness are one, challenging our perceptions and inviting deeper inquiry into the nature of existence and awareness.